Ethereum is consolidating a crucial range. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you're interested in keeping up with my trade setups, as long as all my charts as well, make sure to check out the link in the bio for this Telegram. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as for my last video, you can see we are pretty much in the same exact range. We are in this consolidation zone, which we have to be a little bit more careful of. But I want to quickly talk about the points of interest on Ethereum. Number one, looking at the previous price analysis, for those of you that were part of Telegram, we managed to catch a very nice long position into this wick high in order for us to lock in those profits yesterday. Once we saw the wick high, of course, we did see multiple consolidation points. We did see a false breakdown at around 2340 as well as 2305, but that of course was the CPI data. And then of course later last night we saw another squeeze opportunity towards the high side, grabbing that liquidity, and then another false breakdown. What I would suggest to you guys, of course, this range is extremely choppy. We are not seeing any signs of momentum from either side. All we really need to do though is just pay attention to our wick high breaks. If of course Ethereum ends up breaking above this wick high right here, we are paying attention to 2429, which is a very crucial important level, which I will explain to you why later in the video. But right now 2429 is the ideal zone if Ethereum of course takes out that wick high. Now from the bearish standpoint, same thing with consolidation zones, it can go either or. Ideally what we want to do is we are simply just waiting for our scalp positions. You guys saw today, I mentioned to you at 2330, a very nice scalp opportunity presented itself. You can see we got to the lows of 2315, and of course 2305 is going to be acting as the bearish magnet from that standpoint. Now if of course Ethereum does end up breaking this squeeze and we do see a stronger breakout formation, if we look at the daily time frame, you will notice that on the daily we have not yet tested the 20 EMA as of right now. That is also lining up perfectly with 2429, and that's the ideal zone where you want to pay attention to. Does that mean that if we hit 2429, the bullish case scenario is back on? No, ladies and gentlemen, we have to understand the fact that Ethereum has been trading below these exponential moving averages for multiple days now. We have to try to overcome that zone first in order for us to have any sort of squeeze in terms of a larger time frame. If of course Ethereum does end up hitting that 2429 and the 20 exponential moving average and then rejecting off that zone, that's the level you want to pay attention to for those short re-entries, possibly back down into the $1,900 range. Now the $1,900 range, I have talked about this before and I will talk about it again. It is completely dependent on this wick structure below here at 2149 breaking. Otherwise, what we could see simply on Ethereum is multiple days of consolidation. We have seen this happen before. You can see from previous price analysis, we had a period of consolidation after a massive dump, and then again we can see the same sort of consolidation zone happening right now, which is why I keep telling you guys this is a scalping zone. This is not a swing zone. The only time this would become a swing zone is from a bearish perspective at 2149 were to break, and of course from a bullish perspective 2429 were to break. Otherwise, we're simply just scalping this range in between and waiting for a side to choose which side it wants to break out on. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in bio. Hope you guys have one.